Hi class, we are now on the last couple steps of Circle Wars, and then we'll be able to play the game and do a hack to finish up the game. So I hope you're ready to finish this up. We are on step 30. We just got done making the instructions sprite, and now we need to give it a script so that it can do something and works the way that we want it to. So we are going to add the script to the instructions sprite and read through it carefully. It's on page 75. We need to figure out how it works. Okay, so we're going to go to the scripts up here. We're going to go step by step. Here we go. We'll start with our normal when the green flag is clicked. It needs to go to, where is it at? Go to X and Y. Now, both of the numbers in X and Y are 0, 0. Later on in your math classes, you'll realize when you're at 0, 0, that means you're in the middle of whatever area you're at. So when this starts, this is going to center it. We don't have to center it beforehand. It will center it automatically so that we can read it and it looks nice and neat. Okay. We need to add a couple of things here. Go to the front, so it's going to go on top of the game, so we can't see the game behind it. It's going to show. It's going to wait until a key is pressed. Now, if you read through your instructions, it says the space bar. So key, space, press. So it has to wait until that, and then it will hide. There we go. Okay. We also may want to add a wait until key, space, press block immediately after the green flag blocks in the player, friends, and enemy sprite. Otherwise, our game will continue and we could lose automatically or have different scores before even starting the game. So once you have your instructions done, go ahead and click on your blue player. And if you look at step 31, and you will see wait until. And we, on this one, want to put space again. And this is going to go right under that. And actually, what I think I'm going to do is duplicate it quick. And I need 2 more. There we go. So this one's going to go right here. This one will sit right underneath it. Gonna drag this one to pink and drag this one to green. So now I should be able to delete these. This I want it to go right underneath when the green flag is clicked. And then same thing. Oops. Like I said, this will just help so that the game doesn't start until the space bar is pressed. So you're not having any extra points starting or taken away at the beginning. So we're going to run the project, make sure that the instructions appear filling the screen until we press the space bar, and then I should have plenty of time to start the game. And this script for the instruction allows the player, if they're a quick reader or a slower reader, they have enough time to process the information, understand what they're supposed to do, and then go ahead and play their game. They don't have a time limit on the reading part. Okay, so when you're ready, go ahead and click the green arrow or the green flag. You know how to play the game, so you really don't have to read through the instructions, and you can go ahead and play. See if you can beat your top score from last time, and go ahead and start from there. So I've clicked my green flag. I'm reading this. I don't hear any sound, so I should be all set. I'm going to hit my space bar now. And now I can go ahead and, oops, I want to get my green circles here. Get caught here. You can see it is pretty hard to get up to 20 or past 20. Because every time you hit one of those pink bubbles, it takes you down -3. So right now I'm only at 2 points. So this was what I was saying earlier in the game. It may be something where you want to take away 2 points or give yourself 2 points every time that you touch a green circle just to make it a little bit easier. But once you get the hang of it, it's not too difficult. Just be careful, challenge your partner, see if both of you can do the game easily and who can get the quickest score on it. So I'm going to end the game just so that I can continue the video with some hacks. So now that we have that done, we're all set. Go ahead and turn to 76 and 77. This has our hacks and tweaks. Remember, when we talk about a hack, that is something that we can change quickly so that it just makes the game just a little more interesting, a little more fun. Some hacks that they have here, they can change the clones' colors. So you can have the green ones can have a specific color tone maybe to them. The pink ones have like a pink and purple color tone to them. You can change the size. You can make a shape shifting. Plenty of things that you can do. What I think I am going to do to show you, I'm going to do the color change. It might make it a little more difficult, but it's just something to add just so you have an idea of what a hack would be. So up at the top on page 77 it says vary the clone's colors. Click on the friend sprite. Add the set color effect to block from the look section in the sprite's clone script. So my clone script is right here and I need to add set color effect. That is a dark blue, I'm pretty sure. Oops, I'm sorry, it is a purple set color effect. I'm going to pick random. And that number is going to be a -30 to 30. And then I'm going to set ghost to 50. And that's going to also do the repeating. So, oops, I guess I only really needed the set color effect, I'm sorry. Here. Okay, so because we have it from values of -30 to 30, this should make it so that the enemies, like I said, we can do different colors on those as well. I'm just going to see what it looks like doing the green right now. So I'm going to run this, press my space bar. Okay, so now I've turned to greens and it looks like blues for my friend colors. So it's going off of that pastel color and just colors that are similar to green. So I'm going to go ahead now and do it for the red, so the enemy. And I need to find my set color, put it right on top here. And inside the effect, I'm going to put random, again, -30 to 30. Go ahead and run my script again. So now I go to a purple and pink, red, orange colors. I probably would even run into some yellows if I let the game run long enough, as I don't lose the game or if I win the game. So you can see it might make it just a little bit easier just to see the different colors, and it could make it a little more challenging as well. So that is just one of the hacks you could do for the game. Just remember which colors you're trying to collect and stay away from. And other than that, I think we have completed our third game for the workbook. In the next video, we'll be making the Jumpy Monkey game, and that'll be our final game from our Scratch workbook. So go ahead and play with your partner, see who can win, see who gets the quickest time, and I hope you all enjoyed Circle Wars.